Hi guys, you won't believe what I found today in a super ring that I bought. So here is the super ring, and I'm not sure exactly where it's manufactured in, but I think it could either be from Malaysia, West Malaysia, or if it's Indonesian. But this is what I found, and it looks like a nail actually. And yeah, I'm not sure what this is, but as you can see, I don't think that is a I don't think that is a ring. This is something else. I'm thinking it looks like a nail, and it shows that even for companies, they can make mistakes. And I think as of today, I won't be buying super ring anymore, and I don't know what that is. It looks very much like a nail, and it's strong too. So yeah, it's very bad. I don't think I'm buying a super ring ever again.